and welcome to Learn Designer. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a travel flyer using Canva, like you see now. I will show you step by step and I will help you design this flyer quickly and easy. So let's start create this travel flyer. So the first thing we do, we go to create a new design. Just click here, create design. And after that, we search for flyer, or you can use A4 format, so 21 by 29.7 centimeter. Okay, now let's go to element and we search for frame. You can select from here, or you can just type frame here, and after that you select all. Let's select this one here, and you choose here the corner rounded to make it 100, and let's make it like this. Okay, so the first thing we do now, we add the image here. So let's choose I have choose before that this photo. Where is it? Here, the man and the man with the woman in the water. Oh, let's scale it like this. Okay, now let's change the transparency here to make it like this. Okay, now we duplicate this frame here just by holding the right click and click duplicate, make it above the first image. Now we choose a color and not a picture, and we are going to use gradient. In gradient here, we will choose linear here, and we will choose three color. So first one, second, and the third one. So the third one, let's make it black. The first one, I will work with 00A, 1D, this color. And the second color here, it's 03856D. Okay. And like you see, we can add some transparency here. Okay, I think I like it. If we need to change it, I will change it later, okay? For the moment, I will choose it like this.
Now let's add the frame for pictures that I'm going to use. So in the element, I search for frame or just using the frame here. And now select all, scroll down until I will choose this one here.
And I will make it like this, make it small. Let's add a border here. Just hold here and just select like this. We change the color of the border by clicking here and choosing white.
Now let's add the picture of Paris, for example. So I will search for an element for Paris.
Go to photo and I will choose this one. You can choose any photo you like, okay? Okay, like this one here. Now we will add a shadow. I will duplicate this one here, this frame. Okay, let's duplicate this one. And now let's change this color to black and the white also to black. And I will position this under the image. So to do that, click position, wire, and like you see, I'll put in that there. And I will add scale it a little bit, okay? And put it under, yeah, like this. And now let's change the transparency here to like this. If we are fine with this result, I will just select all of them. This is true, and I will group it by clicking Ctrl G, or you can group it by just selecting the two of them and select group like this. Now let's duplicate this. You can duplicate this just by holding Alt and move it like this. And again, the third one. I think we will make it small a little bit. Now let's change the pictures here. So I will just ungroup now and search on go to element search for the model or the event. Okay, I'll choose this one. The last one I will choose photo. I'll choose this one here. Now we have finished with all the images that added our text. So to do a text, just move in here and select text. And like we are using a big text here, so I will use like a hidden text, okay? Kids here in the middle, and we'll change the spacing here on the line, make it near to the line, change the color to white. Okay, I like it. Make it in the middle. So like we'll write the year 2025. Okay, we can change the text style or the text font from here. Okay, I think we'll use this one here. And let's change the color. This one. Okay, I like it like this. I'll put a text here. So I will copy just a text. I have it. This one here. I'll change the color to white and the size of the text to 60. Okay. Create a rectangle and maybe. And now let's change the round it to make it a little bit like this. We'll change the color and make it radiant, but we'll choose here the beamer color here.
Now let's add the icon of phone. We go to image search for phone.
So just write down and use anyone you list, okay? So I'll choose first this one here. No, I'm working here, but like you see, I cannot see correctly. So I will zoom or scale my design just here. So to do that, click here and we'll scroll down. Here now I can work without any problem. Okay, here's the front. I will add a circle to the part. Okay, we have the circle here. So we'll change the field by none and we will add a stroke, just one. And change the color to mode. Okay, this one we'll change the color to white. Now we will add the font. So that I will just write pass 000 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. I change the color to white and I will scale to 50. Okay. Just we will copy the text here and paste here. If we have, for example, two number. Okay. So I will just lock this frame here like this so I cannot move it. Now let's and I will change the bold here for all of them. So I select all of them by holding the shift, and just by doing this, no. Okay, let's see. I can see like I will select all of them and make it small. Change here a little bit like this. Okay, when I have finished, I will adjust. Sorry. So I will adjust and then the same number here. I will add some this one here. Okay, and we will add a travel logo here. So we go to element. And we will select a logo. Okay, I'll choose this one here. This one, I don't know. And we'll change the color. We can change it to white or we can just use color we add. Okay, I'll make this one white and here with gray. Okay, like this. If you think this tutorial are helpful, don't forget to like, share, also comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and help me reach more and more subscribers. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time.